today's vlog is gonna be a self-care vlog. Basically, I'm just gonna do whatever I want today to just kind of like relax and just kind of like not focus too much on like work, school, all that stuff. So I'm starting off this self-care vlog by going to the movie theaters with my sister. We've been wanting to watch this movie called Just Mercy, and I love movies, and just going to the movie theater, like, it really makes me happy to just kind of like be in my own zone and just kind of like enjoy a movie. So that's what we're doing, and it's $5 Tuesday, so great deal. And then when we come back, we'll see what else I do. Just got done watching the movie Just Mercy, and it was so good. I would really recommend it. It was so inspirational and a good reminder about our corrupt justice system. I mean, sometimes I feel like we paint this picture that our justice system is like perfect and everything, but this movie is a good example that we still have like a long way to go. After the movie, my sister and we stopped by TJ Maxx because your girl had to return an item, and of course TJ Maxx is one of my favorite stores. So I was perusing around and I came across this super cute heart like decor cup kind of thing. I love that it's clear. I'm like really into like clear mugs right now, and I love the gold accents with the hearts, and look at the handle. How cute is this? This is so stinking cute. So I'm gonna add this to my mug collection, and it also fits with my aesthetic. I'm really into like gold, pink, and white, and it was only $3.99, which is such a great steal for such a cute mug. For the next hour or two, I'm gonna clean up this mess that I have in my room. And one crazy fact about me is I actually love to clean my room. It's like very therapeutic, like just organizing everything and just like decluttering. So I'm gonna do that for this self-care vlog and just kind of put my life back on track. I hate when there's a mess and I can't find anything. Like that's what happened this morning. Like I literally woke up and I could not find my wallet, and we had to leave in like 5 minutes to the movie, and we were like a couple minutes late because I couldn't find my wallet, and it is all because of this mess. I need to get on it so that tomorrow I have a clean room to wake up to. Before I start cleaning up my room, I'm gonna put on these perk up eye patches to kind of wake me up because I'm feeling a little drowsy right now and I need all the energy I can take to clean up the room. These are my favorite eye patches. They're from the brand Patchology. Brand collab with them a couple months back, and they sent me a bunch of eye patches. I loved these so much that I actually got a pair for my friend Liz because I'm really into skincare, and I've just been trying to get everybody into skincare. This is what the eye patches look like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They feel so nice on the skin. Ooh, that feels so good. Very soothing. And then you just put these on for like 10 minutes. I try to wear these at least like once a week. They actually look super cute. It kind of looks like I have freckles. So while I have these on for 10 minutes, I'm gonna start cleaning up the room and try to get things organized so that by the end of the night, everything is cleaned. My 10-minute timer just went off. I think I'll have a piece of paper right here, so I'll just put it on here and then toss it, and then afterwards you just kind of like pat it under your eye. I feel so much better. I can feel like the difference. Like I'm not as drowsy anymore, so I did get a little pick me up, perk up kind of feel. So I did finish cleaning this little corner right here. I put all my old magazines in a pile, and I'm gonna put them in one of these little trunks, and then I still have a bunch more to go right here, so I need to do that, and I also need to make my bed. Just got done cleaning the room except for making my bed because I'm gonna take a nap in a little bit. I also got done journaling from my 52 list of happiness journal. I love this journal. It is so simple. If you're a simple journaler out there, I definitely recommend this one. And I think for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna watch like maybe a movie, write my to-do list for tomorrow so that tomorrow I'm not like so stressed out.